Over 11,200 patients were hospitalized with flu in the latest week in the United States, the highest rate in the same period of time since 2010, according to data released by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Seasonal influenza activity is elevated across the country, said the CDC. 5 flu-associated pediatric deaths were reported in the week ending November 19th, and a total of 12 pediatric flu deaths have been reported so far this season. Thanksgiving holiday gatherings have amplified the spread of viruses such as flu coronavirus and respiratory syncytium virus. RSV and flu are both at high levels for this time of year. The CDC said an annual flu vaccine is the best way to protect against flu. Vaccination helps prevent infection and can also prevent serious outcomes. However, seasonal influenza vaccines offer little protection against pandemic influenza virus strains, according to Science magazine. It's difficult to create effective pre-pandemic vaccines because it's uncertain which influenza virus subtype will cause the next pandemic.